to see everyone. Happy Canada Day. Yeah, I'm wearing red in celebration of Canada Day. Good afternoon and welcome to Smokey Hollows Falls. We're at the top right now. We're just about to go down to the bottom and see if we can get some great footage. Who's with me? So if you drive here to Waterdown, it is on the outskirts of Hamilton, you come to Mill Street North and you will find a wee car park as you saw there. This is the viewing area right next to the car park. A really good strong flow today, and there's even people swimming in the water. Fantastic. This is awesome. This is a great way to spend the day. So exciting. We get some great footage today. This is the top of Smokey Hollows Falls, which is also nicknamed Great Falls. Okay, let's get to the bottom, shall we? We're going to climb over the fence here, get down, there's a wee path at the side here, go around the viewing area, down the side there to the bottom, and that should get us to where the people are swimming. See your bottom, down there. Alright, so climbing down the sides here, and wishing I had hiking boots. I don't, I just have my sandals on today. It's a wee bit muddy. I've got my friend Petra here with me today. That's Petra. Say hi, Petra. Alright. So, and there you go. Look, there's the Smokey Hollow Falls right there. Really powerful. Fantastic, isn't it? Me and my daft wanderings, I tell you, I just went down the wrong way. So, if you're watching this, don't go to the left of the falls down this wee bit here. That's the wrong way. It brings you up too high up. You got to go down to the right. So there's this wee green piece of metal on the fence. Go there. So just cut across here and go down the side of the viewing platform, round the back of it, down the wee path, and you'll get to the bottom of the falls eventually. It's a wee bit steep, so it is. Definitely I should have worn hiking boots for this, but I never thought to put them on. They're in the trunk of the car. This is pretty nasty here, but as you can see there is a wee bit of a path. So right along there, and we'll get down the bottom there, and we'll have a wee dip, a wee swim, cool off. Alrighty, but a great view here. Look at this, absolutely fantastic. Whoops a daisy, drop the camera. Looks amazing. Ah, look at that, eh? That is absolutely smashing. So it is Smokey Hollows, Great Falls, absolutely beautiful, nice, powerful flow of water today. Ah, it's great. You know, I wish I could spend all day here and just swim and relax. That'd be brilliant. I just have to come back another day to do that, eh? Lovely, lovely. But don't want to get my head too wet. Oh, it's actually quite cold. Oh, I get my shower this morning. Woo! Oh no, knock the phone off. Knock the phone off. Oh. There you go, folks, that's all for today. Smokey Hollow Falls with the Wandering Scotsman. Happy Canada Day, good to see you until next time. Take care, be safe. Cheers.